down.
Done. Hey, welcome back to Playing with Your Tool. I'm Alan Wrench, and on this episode, we got a Ryobi tool that absolutely blows. There ain't nothing that blows harder than this here tool. Except for your mother. Dang. Introducing the world's first all-electric battery-powered backpack blower. Dang. He looks naked without the battery, so let me go get one. Let's go through the specs. Alright, so let me tell you a few cool things about this here backpack blower. First, let's start off with this. This bad boy right here blows out 145 mile an hour. That's fast. Look, I mean, you know, Earnhardt probably goes 3 times that speed, but still fast, dang. And if I face him towards you, you can see that she takes 1 and 2. 1 second now. 2 40-volt lithium batteries. Dang. It's got a rating of 625 CFM. You know what CFM stands for? It means, what do it stand for? Could it be Cake for Mikey? Cougars friggin' midgets? Clingy fat mistress? Cool friends, man. Cougars friggin' midgets? Cage flipper monkeys? Dang. Cougars frickin' midgets? What could it be? Can't frick your mom? No. So you ain't gonna believe this. CFM stands for cubic feet per minute. Where's the P? Where's the dang P? Man, snuck a P in there. I think I've done that before too. Yeah, wait until I sneak a P in aisle 13 Home Depot. Shit. Alright, let's dig into some features here. Now, yeah, she might be a little dirty. That's because your boy Alan uses her. I ain't trying to review no tool without giving the tool hell. Alright, so you got your variable speed throttle and cruise control. Oh, man, why don't you calm down? Pressing the throttle, flip the switch. There you go. Look, she don't want to stop. Need I remind you, y'all, ain't no gas fumes up in here. Alright, now check out this, y'all. They got something called the turbo boost. You press that button right there, it throttles up the speeds even faster. The brushless motor that controls the fan shoots out that air so dang quick. And look, while turbo boost is a cool name, I think we could do better. Lo and behold, we'll call her Dale Boost. Dang. Alright, so for a lot of these lawn equipment tools, noise and pollution are a thing of the past. And I'm going to give you a little sample. 2 tests to prove exactly what I just said there. 1, we're going to test the noise. Do you need ear protection? We're going to find out. I'm also going to do an endurance test where I'm going to take the trigger and see how long 2 40-volt lithium batteries will last on this guy full throttle. Alright, so Ryobi claims that this is the industry's quietest backpack blower on the market, which has got to be true because every other brand out there, they're nerds. Duh, everyone knows. What we're going to do here is I'm going to use my fancy watch to measure the decibels, and we can see how loud he is. Alright, now I'm going to put it on cruise control, Dale Boost. Alright, so 2 things to point out. That wasn't that loud. You still need ear protection. It's always a good thing to wear ear protection. And keep in mind, I'm in my garage with the doors closed and everything else because I'm not allowed to leave. So, I mean, what do you want me to do? So, with them doors closed, you know, it's probably a little bit louder. So, I think I was looking at roughly about 84 decibels. Bump it down to 69. We'll call it fair. Next up, we're going to see how long it's going to last when we hit full throttle cruise control with both batteries inside. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the stopwatch on this here phone so we can see exactly how long it's going to take. Let's do it. Battery number 1, 4 bars. Battery number 2, 4 bars. All right. 1, 2, dial. Down mode, baby. Oh, what? 21 minutes, y'all. Come on. Ooh, boy, it's hot. So you got a 40 volt lithium, 5 amp battery right here. So that's what we're working with. 40 volt lithium battery. And it doesn't say, man, this is old. And it's still lasting that long. And more than half of it was on Dale mode. Alright, y'all, let's take them outside. Before this, I cut my yard, so let's go clean it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's a ton more that you can experience and learn when you get your hands on this bad boy. You gotta go out and get yourself one, man. I mean, this thing is a life changer for me. And I came from a steel backpack, man. Steel. I don't miss a thing. I don't miss a dang thing. You gotta try this out. You save money. The thing's, what is it, a few $100? I mean, take the chance, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the channel, Alan Wrench. I'm going to bring out more videos for y'all. Dirty Plays is a sports comedy podcast. If you just want to hang out with some good old boys, check them out. And if tech and music's more your thing, why don't you check out them Slayer Bites boys? Slayer Bites podcast. You can find it on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy. Oh, come on, y'all. Just look for it. You're going to find it. But that's all I got for y'all today. Allen Wrench, we'll see you soon. And remember, if you ain't playing with your tool, you're a fool. Keep it real.